Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. So today we will discuss some important stock market news and we'll discuss the HDB Financial Services IPO in detailed informations and update. Along with that, as usual, I will analyze the Nifty Bank chart and we'll discuss the important key level for the next week. So to know the important stock market update and HDB Financial Services IPO update and the Nifty Bank important key levels. Stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular stock market update and global market update and indices levels update. So let's start the video. First of all, I will discuss some important news which is very important to know for the next week, and then I will come to the HDB Financial Services IPO update, which is also very important to know before the public subscription, and then we'll go to the chart. So first of all, let me discuss one by one some important news which came in the last week. The first and foremost, the NSC and BSC expiry day has been changed now, and that was happening. That conflict was happening since last some weeks. So now it is now clear. SEBI has allowed the number one NSC. The now NSC expiry is on Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday weekly expiry, and for the BSC it is now Thursday. So important, NSC expiry is on Tuesday, weekly expiry, and BSC is on Thursday. It is confirmed. Now SEBI has confirmed on that. So this you should know for next week, and now it will continue. Now, second news is important news. The FOMC meeting happened in last week, Fed meeting, and they have not changed any rate. The US Federal Reserve keeps the interest rate unchanged. The interest rate is as same like before, or so not any changes happened for the interest rate. Now number 3, now we'll come to the important news about the HDB Financial Services IPO. So this HDB Financial Services IPO is going to open for the public subscription from uh, uh, 25th June to 27th June. On June 25th, June 26th, and June 27th for 3 days. And the price band is, you should know, which is 700 to 740. The price band for the HDB Financial Services is 700 to 740 per share. I'm talking about. This is important, okay? Or now I will talk something about the IPO also. This is the HDB Financial Services is the subsidiary of the HDFC Bank, and you should know that you can apply in shareholder quota if you are holding the HDFC Bank share. Even one share you are holding, it will work. कोई number of share is not specified, but yes, you should hold the HDFC Bank to get the quota, get the shareholder quota for applying this HDB Financial Services IPO. This is the NBFC company for the from subsidiary of the HDFC Bank. So this is the NBFC company, and this is the biggest NBFC IPO, as it is 12,500 crore IPO. Okay, this is 12,500 size is for this IPO is 12,500 crore, and will consist of both fresh issue and OFS also. Okay, IPO will have 2,500 crore fresh issue and 10,000 is OFS. तो ये टोटल मिला के कितना हुआ 12,500. तो टोटल 12,500 है, जिसमें OFS भी है एंड फ्रेश इशू भी है. ओके, एंड HDFC बैंक टू sell the share of 10,000 crore as OFS. Price band I just discussed, 700 to 740 per share. Date I have discussed is opening on 25th June and closing on 27th June. So you have 3 days for the subscription. You can apply on shareholder quota and retail quota also. But if you are holding the HDFC Bank share, then you can only apply in the shareholder quota. So the cutoff date for holding the HDFC Bank has gone. It was last date of cutoff date was 19th of June, which has gone. Now today is the 21st of June, 22nd is Sunday. So on Monday, you since Monday from Monday you should be holding the HDFC Bank to have to get the shareholder quota. So now the buying HDFC Bank to get the shareholder quota is the date has gone. I will quickly go to the Nifty Bank chart, and you can see last. I have come on the chart, and you can see the last HDFC Bank was trading. HDFC Bank was performing very good because of this IPO was the one reason for the outperform of HDFC Bank, because for this IPO people are more interested to buy the HDFC Bank for the shareholder quota. So Nifty Bank is looking very good. I can show you the chart and show you the line I have drawn. This trend line and this trend line. This is looking like a rising wedge, or this is a pattern I can see here. You see this line I have drawn, which is a good support for the Nifty Bank. It is making a good support, as you can see here, and up above side this line. So last video, when made last video, I discussed the important and Nifty Bank breakout. You can see here this line, and it has given a breakout on this day, which is 6th of June. 6th of June, the Nifty Bank clearly given the breakout. You can see here, and from here, it it has taken resistance at around 57,000, went to the 57,000. This is all time high, 57,000, and from here it has retested also till here. 56,100 was my good support, and was the support of the breakout level also, and was the support of the retest also. Retesting का भी एक ये support था. But from here it has uh, uh, it has broken this support of 56,100, and even uh, fell till here, which was the 55,000. तो 55,000 के आसपास तक it has fallen on this day, which was the 13th June. So this breakout given, but could not sustain, because if it should have it should have retested here, and then should have taken the reversal, but it could not sustain and fell down and came here and taken support, and again started taking a u-turn. And here it has consolidated since like for whole week. 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5 whole week it has been consolidated. And again on last Friday it has given a very very good move, even till 56,100. It has crossed the 56,100. I will not say it is again a breakout, but yes, I will show you the resistance level where it should take a resistance. It may take a resistance. So, so this was the whole whole week scenario. This last week consolidation, and this I have discussed earlier. I think last to last video I have discussed this breakout here, or this could not sustain. So now the breakout could not sustain, or that's why I'm making this trend line, which is showing a good, again a good resistance for the Nifty Bank. So last week consolidation support, this support is very very important, since here you can see here it was taking resistance since this time, and again this here again it has taken a support. That's why I've drawn this trend line, and here again it has taken support. This trend line is and here also, yes, and here also. So this is a very good support line I can see, and you can see this gap is being actually narrow हो रहा है. Okay, तो ये gap फिर से narrow हो रहा है. What does it mean? That this is again going to take any either side movement direction. It may take a direction toward the upside, it may take direction toward downside, but we don't know what is going to happen. But yes, anyway, this is going to take any one direction in coming weeks or coming days. So you can see this is this range is actually now getting narrow. And I can see as the Friday movement of the Nifty Bank looking very, very good, because again you see this important resistance. You can see this line here. So this line already has been broken by the Nifty Bank on Friday, and even closed above this resistance, which is 56,100. So 56,100 was the last support also for me, which has been broken in last week, but now again it has closed above the 56,100, which is showing the strength in Nifty Bank. And we can see some more upside at least till here in coming days, coming week. So I'm taking, you should keep this trend line, this resistance in mind, be mindful this trend line for the next coming days. And this can be this I think 57,400 around, 57,400 to 500, anywhere it can face a resistance, and again may take a return for some time. But yes, this range is very important, which is either side is Nifty Bank is going to break. So for me, if I will find the important support resistance, I try to find, so it may be here for the resistance we see 57,400 around, can be 400 around या 300 भी हो सकता है, because this rate, हाँ तो फिर 50,400 to 500 भी हो सकता है. ओके, और डाउन साइड अगर देखिए तो लेट्स सी दिस important line, you can see this here. This line is very important, which is 55,500 के पास. Yes, 55,500 looking very important support for the Nifty Bank, as this is also taking support of this trend line. And 20 EMA, this blue line you can see, this is a 20 EMA, और 20 EMA का भी एक सपोर्ट है जो कि यहाँ पे ही आता है 50 से 55,600 अराउंड. तो 55,600 to 55,500 is looking very good, important support for the Nifty Bank. As I take 2-3 key levels, so this you should be mindful with this level for the next week, like 55,500 to 55,600 for the support, and 57,400 to 57,500 can be a resistance range. So these 2-3 important level, and 2-3 range is very important, or you should be working within this range for next week. अगर ब्रेकआउट होता है देन डेफिनेटली आई विल अपडेट इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. और अगर इस रेंज में ही निफ्टी बैंक स्टक रहता है तो दैट विल टेक सम मोर टाइम. So finally, if I have to repeat the level for the Nifty Bank, important support is 55,500 to 55,600, and important resistance is 57,400 to 57,500 around. This can be an important range for the trading and for range for the Nifty Bank for next week, for coming days. I will post the Nifty 50 levels and important global market update also for Sunday video, tomorrow video. Definitely go through the video for the important Nifty 50 level. This is Nifty Bank level, the Nifty 50 level on Sunday. Please go through that video also. And important update also, the Brent oil update I will give on Sunday video, in Nifty 50 video, and important global market update I will also give. So please go through tomorrow video also. And today I have discussed the SDB IPO, which is very important. Keep in mind, be mindful with the dates and with the price band and all the things, update about the SDB Financial Services IPO. So like and share the video for others also for more reach, and subscribe the channel for these kind of important stock market update, global market update, and indices levels update. Signing off.